Just like any other device, Samsung tablets can start to malfunction or stop working. Even a simple restart may fail to make it work, leaving you with factory resetting as the only option. There are several reliable ways to reset your Samsung tablet in this video. Reset Samsung tablet via recovery mode. Turn off your phone by pressing the power button after shutting it down. Long press the volume up and power buttons for a few seconds till you see the Samsung logo interface and enter the recovery mode. Go to the web data, factory reset option using the volume buttons. A warning message will pop on the screen to save Google account details before the reset. If you've already done that, press the power button to choose the factory reset option. Click Yes to delete all data from your Samsung tab. After the process completes, click Reboot System Now and press the power button to restart it. You can now set the tablet. Reset Samsung Galaxy tablet using Find My Mobile. Head to the Find My Mobile page and sign in with your Samsung account and password. Select your tablet device and opt for Erase Data Erase from the menu. You may be asked to input your account and password again, then click OK to confirm the obliteration. Factory reset Samsung tablet via Settings. Open the Settings app on your Samsung tablet and scroll down to the General Management option. Look for Reset, and you'll see Factory Data Reset under the list of options. Tap on it to see various applications and accounts installed on the device that will be erased during the process. Scroll to the bottom and click Reset. When prompted, input the screen code or pattern and click Delete All. The phone will turn off after clicking the Delete All option. Wait for some time for the process to finish, after which the Samsung tab will restart automatically. You can now set the device.